If you have been avoiding a curly hair routine because it feels too expensive or complicated, or because someone told you that all these products might ruin your hair, then this video is for you. A lot of you tell me that your parents don't like seeing you use products because they're worried it will damage your hair. And honestly, I know where that concern comes from. But taking care of your curls doesn't have to mean that you have to buy a shelf full of expensive products. So today I'm sharing a budget-friendly curly hair routine using just a shampoo, a conditioner and a flaxseed gel. That's it. No expensive leave-ins, styling creams, no expensive gel, no 10-step routine. And yes, I've tested and included the results of how this routine works over the next 3 days in this video too. Honestly, as a beginner, simple routines made me understand my curls much better than complex routines ever did. I've been using these products for 4 years now and these are not sponsored at all. If you're recently starting your curly hair routine or growing your curls after straightening, smoothing or rebonding your hair, please be patient. When I started my curly hair journey 4 years ago after smoothing and the big chop, it took around 4 to 5 months before my curls started looking healthier and more defined. First, I start by oiling my hair using a mixture of cold pressed coconut oil and sesame oil. I also like adding a few drops of Melange Care Radiant Oil to the mixture, and I've been lately enjoying this combination as my pre-wash oil. Any product I use in this video is not sponsored at all, and this is the review of the products I've been using for many years now. Make sure you apply the oil to your scalp and lengths. I like to do it section by section so that I apply it everywhere on my scalp. The oil should not be dripping from your hair. While oiling, I gently detangle the knots using my fingers because trying to force out knots roughly before wash day is never a good idea. Applying oil to your length is also very important because it's the most dry and the oldest part of your hair. Applying oil makes it much easier to detangle because it creates a slip. Don't forget your ends. I feel how much ever oil I apply on my hair, it just disappears. Like, look at this part. There's no oil. Okay, also talking about the hair fall during wash days, I'll show you how much hair I've lost in the whole routine. This much is while oiling. So, okay, see, it's quite normal to lose up to 100 strands per day, and we as curly hair girls don't brush our hair every day. So, the hair that had to fall is just stuck here. Now, when you detangle on your wash day, there's all that hair that's coming out. So, if you wash once in 3 days, there's up to 300 strands of hair that's coming. It's normal, but not if you get bald patches. Then you have to consider visiting a dermatologist. So, I have applied oil everywhere. And never forget to massage your scalp. I massage my scalp at least 5 minutes, especially during oiling, and every day before sleep. Massaging your scalp helps in blood circulation and promotes hair growth. And use your fingertips, not your nails. Don't do this, do this. And circular motions. So after applying oil on my scalp and lengths, I leave it for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay then, see you after 1 hour.
1 hour later.
It's been 1 hour now. The next step is to shampoo my hair. So I'll just wet my hair and come back right now. After oiling, I wash everything off using the Love Beauty and Planet Curly Hair Shampoo. This has rice water and angelica seed oil. I've been using this product since 3 years now and it is amazing. This is a mild shampoo that's suitable for curly hair. This clears all the buildup on my hair without making my scalp dry. I have a very dry scalp. It tends to lose moisture a lot. So I've taken some shampoo. It fell down, but yeah. And I focus on both the scalp and lengths. So you should apply shampoo on the lengths too because there'll be a lot of product buildup on your lengths. I massage my scalp properly with my fingertips and cleanse everything out before rinsing it thoroughly. So how I apply the shampoo is that basically I don't want too much shampoo on my hair. So I take some water in the cup and just pour a little shampoo and dissolve it. It's just quarter cup and then I pour it on my scalp, spread it completely. And this way my hair won't be too stripped from moisture or less stripped. It will be quite balanced. You can see how I'm massaging my scalp. And please use your fingertips and not your nails. You don't want to scratch your scalp. You just have to massage with your fingertips. If you scratch your scalp, chances of stripping your hair out from the roots is very high. After applying the shampoo, rinse it off thoroughly. I'll just rinse it off and come back soon for the next step. So I'm back after rinsing off the shampoo. I lost this much hair while shampooing. Next step is conditioning your hair. Again, I'm using the Love Beauty and Planet's curly hair conditioner. This also has rice water and angelica seed oil in it. So I'm taking some of it, emulsify nicely and apply it on your hair. So if you notice, I don't apply conditioner on the scalp. I directly apply it from the midlines or directly below the roots. You can take some more conditioner and apply it everywhere. So my routine is usually done putting my hair upside down. So I get access to all my hair. Now I'm detangling any remaining knots from my hair because this conditioner melts all the knots. Once everything is nicely distributed, I use a brush to spread the product evenly. See, I take a section, apply pressure and brush. So once everything is nicely distributed, I keep the conditioner on my hair for 3 minutes. So as people who have curly hair, we only brush our hair on wash days. So this is the only time you can brush your hair while conditioning and styling. So while I keep my conditioner on my hair, let me tell you some fun facts. In the beginning, when I wanted to convince my parents that my hair is curly and I have to follow curly hair routine, I used to style my hair with conditioner and a little bit of almond oil. I used to rinse off only 60 to 70% of conditioner and style it in the washroom itself. And when it dries, I just apply a little almond oil. But I wouldn't recommend that though because everybody's hair is different. It's been 3 minutes now. I'll rinse off the conditioner and come back. And also you can use any shampoo or conditioner that suits your hair. It need not be necessarily the ones I use. But I would recommend choosing a conditioner with good slip. Before I got my hands on Love Beauty and Planet curly hair range, I used to use Mamaearth's onion shampoo and conditioner. This much is the hair I lost while conditioning my hair. Now we are going to make the flaxseed gel. And this entire packet cost me just ₹40. For anyone wondering, this is the recipe I use for my hair. I take 3 tablespoons of whole flax seeds and 375 ml of water, which is about 1.5 cups. Add both to a vessel and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Stir occasionally and let it boil for around 8 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on the consistency. You'll know it's ready when the liquid looks noticeably thicker and a spoon lifted from the vessel leaves behind a slightly stringy gel-like trail. I usually make it at home because it's affordable, simple and honestly works really well for my curls. This is honestly cheaper than most styling products and lasts me multiple batches. You can make the gel once, store it in the refrigerator and use it for around 7 to 10 days. You can also add few drops of oil if you want that extra shine. Then strain it immediately while it's still hot because once it cools down, may God help you. Let it cool completely before applying. Apply it on wet or very damp hair and work in sections so all your curls are coated. Okay, this is the last step. This is the simplest curly hair routine I have done. And I think this is probably the simplest curly hair routine you'll find on the internet. So this is the flaxseed gel after cooling down. My hair is dripping wet. So I'm starting to apply it on my hair. So just emulsify it and use the praying hands method and apply it on your hair. This gel has neutral smell. This is a soft hold gel. It will give you a hold for up to 1 to 2 days. Once the gel is applied everywhere on my hair, I use a brush to gently distribute the gel all over my hair. I'm using a white tooth comb now. I have thick curl clumps here, so to separate it out, I use a white tooth comb. After distributing, you can scrunch your hair. You have to hear this sound. You can see how beautifully the curl clumps have been formed. I'm partitioning my hair to do my front pieces. You can just take some gel and apply like this. Wow. Scrunch your curls nicely. It will enhance your curls. You can see see how beautifully the curl clumps have formed. So I finger coil my front sections if I want extra definition, as you saw. After applying the gel, I'm going to plop it using an old cotton t-shirt. So I plop my hair for around 10 minutes. This helps in removing excess water and makes drying your curls a little faster. Also, I lost this much hair while applying the gel. Altogether, I lost this much hair today. So it's been 10 minutes now. I'm removing the plop. And just scrunching with the cotton t-shirt. Shake your hair so that it doesn't stick to your scalp. Then I'm using a claw clip. I just clip my hair roots. This helps keep my hair from sticking to the scalp and gives me extra volume on my roots. I keep this claw clip around 10 minutes. After that, I air dry my hair on the terrace. It's been 10 minutes now and I'm removing the clutch. And now comes the hardest part of your curly hair routine. Not touching your hair while it dries.
One eternity later.
Yeah. So it's been 3 hours now and my hair has completely dried. You can see the gel cast formed. Once my hair is completely dry, I use 3 to 4 drops of Melange Care Radiant Oil to scrunch out the crunch of the gel cast. I just can't believe that I got these results after using a natural ingredient. I got soft, defined curls and good volume just by using 3 products: shampoo, conditioner and homemade flaxseed gel. I think it's really great for 40 rupees worth of flax seeds. Oh my god, I can't believe. My god. I'm just so happy. Like, I'm just really happy. And I think that's why I keep on coming back to this routine. Look at the definition. I can't believe. Honestly, I can't believe this is just because of flax seeds. Okay, now I'm not accepting the excuse that curly hair is too expensive, because this is literally a 40 rupees gel. You just have to add a gel to your normal routine of shampoo and conditioning, and this is what you get. And that's basically my 3 product budget friendly curly hair routine. If you are a student on a budget or someone who's really nervous on using a lot of products, I hope this video encourages you to start with a simple curly hair routine. The goal isn't to buy more products, it's to understand what works for your hair actually. Start simple, stay consistent, and slowly learn what your curls like. That's honestly the most important part of your curly hair routine. And if you have been putting off your curly hair routine because it seems so complicated or expensive, I've literally shown you a rupees 40 gel, so no excuses now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share it with your curly haired friends, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Apashiri, bye! Look, this is my brother, guys. I am great. Nervous on buying too many budget or don't tell it list like that. If you are a student on too many products, if you are a student on a if you are a student on a budget or I hope this video encourages I'm doing this. Don't forget to share it with your curly haired friends.